What book is Tony Robbins reading now?
One I'm reading right now is The Believing Brain, which is fascinating. It talks about how our beliefs control our life, control our experience of reality, how it's shaped by both biochemistry and your environment. Really, really great book.
All right, The Believing Brain. Advice. One could say that you give people advice, you give them motivation, inspiration. What's the best piece of advice you've ever gotten?
God, that's so much, but I think one of the most important ones was early in my life. One of my mentors, a man named Jim Rohn, said, Tony, all you have to focus on in your life is find a way to add more value than anybody else does, and you'll never have to worry about anything. Be the person that does more for others, and life will just be anything you want out of it. It really is what it is. And he also said the way to do that is every day work harder on yourself than anything else. Because if you become more intelligent, more valuable, more skilled, you can add more value to other people.
Let's do something a little more prosaic, which is technology, apps. I'm sure you're obviously a avid fan of all this stuff.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite piece of technology or a favorite?
It's different than you might think. I do have it's a large piece of technology.
Go ahead.
I'm in a cryotherapy. I don't know if you're familiar with it?
Yes.
So for people who aren't, I'm on stage 50 hours in a weekend. I got 10,000 people. I do 26.5 miles on one day. It starts at 8:30, goes to literally 1 o'clock in the morning. I do 22 miles 2 days before. So it's like ultra marathon. I used to ice myself as I did in football, and you know, if you ice yourself.
You used to take ice baths.
Yes,
right?
yeah, because you have to bring the swelling down in your body. And now I do these 3-minute nitrogen-filled cases that you get in. It's like a sauna, and it reduces your body temperature to minus 220 Fahrenheit. And that sounds like you'd freeze to death or you'd burn. If you had water in your body, you'd burn. You get third-degree burns. But there's no moisture. And it is amazing. It was developed originally for people with arthritis. I got one from my mother-in-law who had all these problems, no more arthritis challenges. So I started using it. It gives you endorphins. It resets your system. It's an extraordinary piece of technology. It's expensive, but you can go to centers that are showing up all over the U.S. Most of the athletes, the Lakers and so forth, are starting to use these.